So we've got this Aston Martin V8 Volante in the workshop at the minute, and it's having the Prince of Wales flared wheel arches put on it. Because obviously it did have just the standard arches, but to do this we don't have any patterns for it, so we had to go to somewhere where they had an original Prince of Wales Volante, and we 3D scanned the wheel arches so then we could make our own bucks and then make the wheel arches to suit. Okay, so once we'd 3D scanned the original Prince of Wales Aston, we got the scan into the computer and processed it all, put it through a program, funnily enough, called Slicer, which turns the 3D model into loads of individual slices, which then we can transfer into 2D and print it out on our CNC plasma cutter. So once I'd done that, this is the finished product of what you get, and that is essentially a flat pack model of a Prince of Wales flared wheel arch. So once I've got these, what I'll do is get some template cardboard, lay the cardboard out and cut it around, tape it together, make a template, and I'll transfer that cardboard template onto a sheet of aluminium. Then I can start the shaping process. Once I've got a rough shape, I can then use this to get the shape of the flare wheel arch correct, and then I can then let it into the car. Okay, so here is a roughed out flared wheel arch that I've made to the buck. It still needs some fettling doing to it. There's a lot of shrinker stretching marking on it. I need to sand it down and straighten up some of the edges on it. But here we can see that it's nearly ready to go on. So this is how it fits to the buck. And you can see it fits quite nicely. And the good thing with bucks is you've got all these gaps. So when you lay the panel on, you can look inside the buck and see how far away your panel is from the shape. So you can add more shape or take shape out of it. So if you want to see the full process in detail, we do have another video that covers the buck making that we did for the Aston Martin GT. So go and check that one out.